Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the battery level of your headphones is not reliable. If the battery level of your headphones is not reliable, the issue is probably located in the battery itself and we can't do anything. However, try connecting your headphones to a different device and use them for a while. Then check if everything works. If you still see that the battery level is not reliable, the issue is located in your headphones, not in your phone. So, you know what to do. If the issue is located in your phone, you need to fix your phone. But let's focus on the headphones. What if the headphones are broken? Try charging them up to 100% and leave them plugged in for a moment, like longer moment. After reaching 100%, leave them for another 30 minutes. It should fix your issue because battery should recalibrate. If it didn't fix your issue, you need to perform a factory reset. And actually, this is all we can do. So let's perform a factory reset. Hold here this multifunctional button and this plus simultaneously for 5 seconds. Now we've got our factory reset done. If you still see that it doesn't want to work, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Bye!